Hello from the Bureau, Angus here. It is the 10th of March today, that's a Tuesday, but we're here to break down the weather forecast across the nation for tomorrow, Wednesday. And there will be a few weather systems around, but fortunately none of them have the severity or intensity of the weather systems we've seen over the past few days. But here's what we are looking at for Wednesday. There will be more showers and thunderstorms across our tropical north with the potential for some pockets of heavy rain up there. There will be a cold front moving through the southeast, mostly affecting Tasmania, parts of Victoria with a bit of rain and a big temperature drop. And out in the west, a few regions where we could see some thunderstorms, including both some southern and northern areas. Let's go around the states, and it's looking pretty good. A bright day south of the Flinders Highway into Townsville. A couple of light showers possibly speckling this coastline here, but not a lot of rainfall in the gauges, and looking nice and dry through the southern interior and southwest. But of course, we will still be seeing swollen rivers as the floodwaters make their way down the river network, including a possible flood peak in Bundaberg on Wednesday. For the north of the state, some showers and storms across the Gulf and Peninsula with the possibility of some heavy rainfall. What a day for New South Wales. Cracking clear skies and sunshine right across the state. Temperatures are warmer than average as well now that we're into March, so it's not that common to still be seeing 30 degrees or higher across the east coast, 35 degrees or higher for inland parts. A nice day in both Sydney and Canberra with temperatures about 30 degrees. It might get a little windy towards the end of the day in the south. A warm and breezy start across Victoria. Sunny skies at first, but clouding over quite quickly. The winds could get quite strong about the northeastern ranges. We might have a severe weather warning in place for that region. We will see a change sweeping through. In the morning, that change will get to the southwest, so cooler temperatures and some showers arrive. That's pushing through Melbourne around the middle of the day, lunchtime or early afternoon, and then later on in the afternoon across eastern parts. The showers that come through with the cool change will be on and south of the mountain ranges, and really low rainfall totals expected between 0 and 5 millimetres for most areas. The temperature though, that'll drop pretty sharply, could fall as much as 10 degrees in an hour when that wind change moves through. The same cold change is moving across Tasmania, and that will bring some more significant rain to the state down here, with all areas likely to see some rain. In terms of total amounts, we could see 20 to 40 millimetres on and west of the mountains. Lower amounts across the northern coast and the eastern coast down through Hobart, 2 to 10 millimetres expected in those areas. It will likely be clearing up and brightening up through the afternoon and into the evening, with the worst of that weather around the middle of the day. Cool winds spread through South Australia during the day on Wednesday, so temperatures here are quite a lot colder than what they have been through the week so far. Rainfall will be minimal, but we could see a couple of millimetres across the Limestone Coast in the lower southeast, including Mount Gambier, with other places all staying dry and sunny. We could see actually some reasonable rainfall and some strong winds around the Goldfields, Southern Interior and Eucla regions of Western Australia on Wednesday, but that won't impact too many communities, mostly being out over the outback. For our more populated south and southwest, it's a much brighter and drier day, although it will be quite windy with strong southeasterlies blowing through. Perth, sunny skies and 28. Further north, we have a risk of some thunderstorms and maybe some damaging wind gusts up around inland parts of the Pilbara. Finally, to Northern Australia, continue to see major flooding along some rivers through the top end, and there is a chance of some more rainfall into that area tomorrow as well. Now, probably not as much rain as what led to the flooding in the first place, but some light to moderate falls definitely possible, maybe isolated heavy falls too. The risk for heavy falls, thunderstorms, is mostly moving southwards a little bit, so primarily through the Carpentaria and Northern Barkly district between Katherine and Tennant Creek. Further south from Tennant Creek, it's a bright day and sunny skies across the Northern Territory, and for the Kimberley as well. It's a fairly mild wet season day up there with just a low risk of thunderstorms. That's all I have for you today. I will be back tomorrow with the next update, but for now, have a lovely day, and you can find more info on our website or app if you're looking for it.